Hey guys! Buying V-Bucks with a Steam gift card is actually pretty easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So first, keep in mind that you can't use a Steam gift card directly to buy V-Bucks in Fortnite since Fortnite isn't available on Steam. But here's a workaround. You can convert your Steam gift card into cash using a trusted platform that allows gift card exchanges. Just note that the amount you get might be a little less than the original value of the card. So once you've converted it to cash, add that balance to your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal, a debit card, or something else linked to your Fortnite account. After that, go to Fortnite's in-game store, or the platform store where you play like PlayStation, Xbox, or Epic Games Store, and use your added funds to buy V-Bucks directly. And that's it. That's how you can use a Steam gift card indirectly to buy V-Bucks. Thanks for watching!